Steve,
Yeah,
Steve, explain what we're trying to do.
Okay, so the trouble is, we have all of our crap here on this side of the river.
And Douglas.
And our campsite is on the other side of the river. There's no road, so and Douglas. So what we figured is we'll just drive the truck through the river onto the other side. So we've got everything we need: pumps, electrics.
I'd like to say this was peer pressure.
Not peer pressure.
It was
peer pressure.
No,
We all said he shouldn't do it, but he peer pressured into us into agreeing. So
Flight Commander King, how successful will the mission be?
Always going to get fucked up.
Yep.
well,
basically everyone
our super juice.
super tenants.
Right, okay, next bit of the video you'll see is death.
That's all we need. More than
Damn right. Everything goes smoothly with more alcohol.
I'll hold that.
I'll teach you a bit.
I did fucking tighten.
Hard as you can.
Can you do the champagne cork method, Joe?
Brought 8 of these.
Champagne cork method involves 2 taps on the top, and then you have to position the lighter exactly over the knuckle.
That's what she said.
The SA is going to sink a lot.
Like, as in the sword, yeah.
It went somewhere. It's over there.
Excellent.
Yeah, there you go.
Here's a triangle happiness.
Yeah.
Chin chin, lads. Chin chin.
Chin chin.
Right,
Somebody's gone that way.
to the Batmobile.
Once more into the breach.
Right, Rommel.
We can do this now, are we?
Yeah. Yeah, shades are involved.
Yeah, sorry,
Hold on. You know what else has to be involved? The ditch.
Yes. Has anyone got Flight of the Valkyries available?
I would have had a bit of iTunes.
The thing is, if anybody
That's not
says...
a knife. Yeah, that's a knife. Oh yeah, that is a knife.
Right, hang on. Oh no, I've got to film. I've got to have my...
Right, hold on.
Are you going for it? No, it looks a lot like you are. Ah, like a boss. Like he's bossing this way. Right, hang on, I need to get on. Right, you're pointing in the wrong direction though. Right, hang on. Let me get on board. Right, hang on a second. I can't believe that's the hardest bit over as far as I'm concerned. Right, hang on. Yep. You sure? Oh, right, yeah, no, I'm not going to be on this. You're right, no, good point. Douglas, are you filming anything? Are you filming? Are you filming this? No. Do you want to film it then?
Yeah,
be careful, for fuck's sake.
Yeah, honestly. Trust me, I don't want to get wet any more than this does.
Okay, but don't get that wet.
No.
Right, it's recording already.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, we're going. Oh, shit. Right.
Yeah, it's okay. The side on film. What? I don't want to go, I'm scared.
Yeah, gun it. You're gonna have. Yeah, definitely. Go for it. Yes. Oh, it's going. There's no danger. You're going. You're already pretty much. Yep. Wipers on and everything.
That was over for you. The good news is we're through. Bad news is we're fucking
I reckon. See that big clump of grass there?
That's how you do
Into
that.
that wheel to either side of that bit. You'll get up there.
Right, recce time.
Hey!
Yeah! That was deeper than
Ooh!
I tell you what, it looked like one of these flood museums.
Yeah.
That thing was carrying me down the river. I was full right hand lock with the power down.
Coming round, I'm going to take the bridge though.
Yeah, good plan.